Given that the molecular mass of iron is 56 and that of oxygen is 16, how many moles of iron 3 oxide will be contained in 1 kilogram of the compound? Solution. Before we proceed, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that. Click on the notification bell so as to be notified as soon as more videos are being released. And there is also a link to our Telegram channel which is being displayed on the screen right now. You can join our channel via the link for better communication. In the question above, we are being asked to determine the number of moles of iron 3 oxide that will be present in 1 kilogram of the compound. To attempt this, we'll be making use of the formula which says moles equals to mass over molar mass. Moles and in the question above, we are given the mass of the compound, but we do not know the molar mass. And how do we get the molar mass? We do that by calculating based on the chemical formula of the compound. So the next thing we have to do is to write out the chemical formula of the compound given, that is iron 3 oxide. So iron 3 oxide is written as Fe2O3. That is, we have 2 atoms of iron present and 3 atoms of oxygen present to form the compound iron 3 oxide. So from here, let's proceed to calculate the molar mass of the compound. So this will be the sum of the atomic masses of each of the elements present in the compound. So the first element, we have iron and we have 2 atoms present, so that will be 2 multiplied by the atomic mass, which is 56 according to the question given. So we have 56 in bracket plus that of oxygen. We have 3 atoms of oxygen present, so we say 3 multiplied by the atomic mass of oxygen in the question is given to be 16, so we have 16 in bracket as well. So in calculating this, 2 times 56, we have 112 plus 3 times 16, that's 48, which gives a total of 160, and the unit gram per mole. So we've gotten the molar mass of the compound. The mass of the compound is being given, so we can proceed to calculate the number of moles present in it. The mass of the compound is 1 kilogram, and we are working with grams in the unit here, so we have to convert this to grams. Since the unit is not the same with the one we are working with here, we need to convert so as to have an accurate answer. So this kilogram will be converted to gram, and as we all know, 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram. So I'll be stating here that 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. So the moles of iron 3 oxide will be equal to the mass of the compound, which is 1000 grams, divided by the molar mass we calculated here, 160 grams per mole. And dividing this, we have 6.25 in the unit moles, which should be serving as our final answer. So with this, we've come to the end of the solution to the question. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so as to be updated as soon as new videos are being released. There's also a link to our Telegram channel in the description box below. You can join our channel via the link, and don't forget to leave your comments. Thank you.